So I just got done being over at the library here, making photocopies of my passport for my upcoming trip to Panama. I leave in 8 days. My old passport right here. Then I had to also print out the itinerary from Expedia. So you gotta have those travel documents when you go, I guess, overseas or wherever to prove that you're coming back, stuff like that. So they want to know where all you're gonna go, where you're gonna visit. So printed all that out. Tomorrow I'm going with some friends. I'm gonna go hang out for the day, go to the movies, go to B-dubs, get some boneless chicken wings, just have a good day tomorrow. So yeah, keep you posted. So I'm trying to get ready for the trip to Panama. I got the battery charging on the Dodge, which barely fits in the garage because I moved into the new place here, which is actually an old place, but it's a new start. And then I gotta take the battery out of the dirt bike, take the battery out of the crotch rocket, take the battery out of the BMW, gotta air up the tires on the Dodge, and that's about it. The snowmobile's pretty well ready to go. So the bike we don't care about. But yeah. And I got my Mr. Heater trying to warm it up in here because there is no insulation anywhere in this garage right now. So I got a wood stove over there, but I don't have any wood really ready for it yet. That's what I'm working on now, and it is cold outside. So I got this little bugger going, trying to keep me warm while I do all this stuff. So yeah, one last look at the bikes. I wish it were summer so I could ride these buggers. I absolutely love riding motorcycles. Just love it. So we just got the BMW battery out of there. So it's kind of funny, you go from small to medium to large. This one took a while. There's a lot of stuff to take off. Yeah, there's 2 bolts down in here on top of the battery, then 2 for the battery cables, 1 on each side of the ignition, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the top cover plate. So now I'll put her back together, get all this stuff closed up, air up the tires on the Dodge, and see if it'll start up, see if the battery's charged, then we should be good. Snowstorm has started. We're supposed to get 10 to 14 inches of snow. Maybe you can see better now. See, when you get out of the light, you can't really see it. But then when you actually get out in the light. Okay, so I'm down here at my brother's, and I'm gonna go meet Uncle uptown for lunch. I have to clean off the car, which is ridiculously covered with snow. So I'm gonna go grab a brush, start cleaning. But yeah, today is Wednesday. I only have 2 more days before I head out on my trip. Well, really, 1 more, so I have Thursday to pack. I haven't even packed anything yet. Not even one thing. That wasn't good. Whenever you're sweeping snow, watch the wind direction. Otherwise you end up like this and just get covered. Remind me again why I love Minnesota? Oh yeah, snow. And summertime. Summertime up here is beautiful. Wintertime, not so much. Huh? Yeah, don't make sure your feet don't get cold. No, I know. Be very careful. Need a hand. Here, what do you need? I got it. Yeah, there's like a little low spot over here too, so be careful. Be very careful. Well, it wasn't. Alright, off we go. So I finally got my bags packed, got the drone bag there, got my 2 suitcases, and got the laptop bag with my video editing stuff in it. Now we're just taking off from, I believe this one is the Chicago airport, because I flew out of the Minneapolis airport. It was about a 2.5 hour flight to Chicago. Then I had like a 3-hour layover, I believe it was. And from there, it was a direct flight down to Panama City, Panama, which that flight took like 5 hours, 5.5 hours, something like that. It was quite a while. Maybe it was 6 hours. I don't remember for sure. I think it was only 5.5 though, something like that. This place here is really beautiful. I'm not sure where this was. You're finally seeing the ocean with the nice teal colors and stuff. Nice blue-green water. There it is there. Look at that. It looks like paradise there. Absolutely amazing waters. Nice beaches. Be nice to go visit those places too someday. And here we're finally back on the mainland. Starting to see land again after not seeing it for a while. Had one of the better meals of the that I've flown on an airplane, actually. It was a pretty decent meal. And you can see jungle down there. Tropical rainforest, I should say. A lot of green. Definitely don't want to be trying to walk through all that stuff. Just kind of neat flying through the clouds, seeing the scenery down below. Enjoying the flight, that's for sure. Never really traveled much by airplane, so this is all new to me. That's why you're seeing so much airplane footage here, but hope you don't mind. And then here we're flying through the clouds a little bit, and yeah, there was some turbulence each time you went through clouds. I was kind of wondering how that would be. Turned out to be pretty cool. And now we're getting close to the landing. And it's more dry here by the city, a lot less tropical rainforest stuff. They still have the trees and everything, but you can see all the buildings and houses and everything else. And it depends down in Panama, it depends what season it is, wet season or dry season. Dry season stuff turns a lot more brown versus the tropical rainy season. We finally have touchdown, so stay tuned for more videos, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. And let me know down in the comments section what you guys want to see from Panama. If you want to see Panama Canal or different scenery or different buildings, different places. And I'll try and get footage, try and upload some footage if I have it. So yeah, just let me know. And until then, favorite, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned for more.